everyone. So in this lecture we are going to discuss the question from NetJRF December 2016, and this question is from ring and basically ring of a polymer, basic question. So let's start with the question. We have R is commutative ring with unity and R of X is polynomial ring, and F of X, which is a summation n varying from 0 to some capital N a of n x to the power n, that is a polynomial belonging to R of X, and there is W of F, which is smallest n such that a of n is a non-zero. Then we have to identify, or W of 0 is plus infinity. Then first option is W of F plus G is a greater than or equal to minimum of W of F and W of Z. So we have to identify this one. So let's start with the first option only. So basically, what is the meaning of the question? If we will take P of X is say x cube plus 3x4 plus 4x5 belonging to this R of X, then this W of P is basically the least coefficient for the least n for which an is non-zero. So in this case, a0 is 0, a1 is 0, a2 is 0 and a3 is 1. So least term is 3. So WP is 3. So based on this information we have to solve the question. Now in this case, if we will take F of X and G of X belonging to R of X, assuming that W of F is something K and W of G is something R, then F of X must be of the form a of k x to the power k, ak plus 1 x to the power k plus 1 and so on, and W of G or G of X must be of the form a of r x to the power r plus a of r plus 1 x to the power r plus 1 and so on, and with information ak must be non-zero and ar also non-zero. Now if we will, there are three cases. First case, when k equal to r, then f plus g is equal to ak plus ar whole power x to the power k or r plus next terms. Now if these are negative of each other, then this term must be 0. In this case, W of f plus g must be greater than k or which is equal to r. Now if k is less than r, so first coefficient is ak because we are defining sum of two polynomials. So definitely W of f is equal to k, and if r is less than k, then W of f obviously equal to r. Hence this W of f plus g must be minimum of W of f and W of g. So your first option definitely correct option. Second option is W of f into g must be greater than or equal to W of f plus W of z. So if again we will take W of f is equal to say k and W of g is equal to r, then obviously f of x must be equal to ak x to the power k plus ak plus 1 x to the power k plus 1 and so on, and g of x must be of the form ar x to the power r, ar plus 1 x to the power r plus 1 and so on. Now if we will take f into g, then definitely first term must be the coefficient of, this is the least term degree is k term kth degree, and in this polynomial least term degree is rth degree. So in a product, least term degree can be k plus r degree. if provided ak into ar is non-zero. So the coefficient of x to the power k plus r can be ak into ar plus ak plus 1 a, or basically this is the coefficient of this. If this term is a 0, then next coefficient is non-zero, then w of f plus g is greater than k plus r, otherwise w of f into g is exactly k plus r. So definitely B option is also true, simple product of the polynomial. And third option is w of f plus g is exactly minimum of w of f and w of g provided w of f not equal to w of g. Now again, if w of f is equal to r and w of g is equal to k, we can assume that r is less than k. So obviously f of x is equal to ar x to the power r plus ar plus 1 x to the power r plus 1 and so on, and ar must be non-zero, and g of x is equal to a of k x to the power k plus a k plus 1 x to the power k plus 1 and so on, with a of k is a non-zero. Whenever we will take f plus g, so definitely this term is ar x to the power r and so on. So ar is already non-zero, so w of f plus g must be equal to r. Similarly, whenever k is less than r, so w of f plus g must be equal to k. So definitely this C option is also true. And D option is, if r is an integral domain, then w of f into g is equal to w of f plus w of z, if r is an integral domain. So simply if we will take f of x is equal to again ak x to the power k plus ak plus 1 x to the power k plus 1 and so on, and g of x is equal to ar x to the power r, ar plus 1 x to the power r plus 1 and so on, then assuming that ak is non-zero and ar is also non-zero, that is w of f is k and w of g is r, then obviously fx into gx is equal to ak into ar x to the power k plus r and plus something. So least degree term must be k plus rth term degree, and since given ring is an integral domain, ak is non-zero, ar is non-zero, this term is also non-zero. So obviously w of f into g is equal to k plus r, which is w of f plus w of g. So then this fourth option is also correct option. So your answer is A, B, C, D. So just